Hi, this is John from Straps Anonymous. Today we're going to show you how to put on your new NATO strap. You can see here that I already have the NATO strap on a watch, so I'm just going to take it off and show you how easy it is to take off and put back on. Your NATO strap will come like this. There's one longer piece and one shorter piece with a buckle at the end of it. To fasten your NATO strap to your watch, there's no need to take the lug bars off the watch. Simply feed the long piece of nylon through the top of the watch, passing underneath the back of the watch, and out again through the front. You'll want to slide the watch up towards the buckle on the opposite end of the long strap, positioning the watch about 1 to 2 centimeters away from the buckle. Next, take the end of the long strap and feed it through the short buckle hanging below the strap. Once you've done this, your watch should be securely in place on the nylon strap, and you're all set. If this video was helpful for you, please take a second to like the video and visit our store at wsashop.com.